Hi, my name's Hannah Austin, and I am so excited to be one of your featured speakers for the SoMe Docs Building Resilience Conference. As a best-selling author, international podcast host, and the CEO of She Shatters, I specialize in burnout prevention and recovery for professionals. Before founding She Shatters, I spent 20 years as an executive in the healthcare industry. And let's face it, due to stress, I burned out. So I decided to found She Shatters in 2021 to support professionals like you on their mental health journeys and to help them find a balance between their personal and professional lives. I'm so excited to be presenting my talk, Thriving Through Stress, Strategies for a Healthier Workplace. Let's face it, since the pandemic, a chronic state of urgency and heightened stress has made it more challenging for us as healthcare workers. So many of us feel depleted and less effective in our jobs, but this powerful session will provide key actionable takeaways to help you break that burnout cycle once and for all, and move forward with more focus, enthusiasm, and energy. Join me for this incredible conference, and I look forward to helping you thrive.